Alright, so you want to skyrocket your YouTube channel? Let's dive into a step-by-step game plan using Google SEO and some brilliant websites that'll help you stand out. First up, Google SEO isn't just for blogs, it's a powerhouse for YouTube too. Start by researching keywords your audience is searching for using a tool like Google Trends. Just type in your topic, and boom, you see what's hot right now. Next, sprinkle those keywords into your video titles, descriptions, tags. Don't overdo it. Keep it natural, so your content feels genuine. Now, let's talk about TubeBuddy and Vidicue. TubeBuddy, Vidicue. These are browser extensions that help you analyze what's working for top creators in your niche. You get real-time feedback on how to tweak your thumbnails, optimize your tags, compare your channel to the competition. Speaking of thumbnails, head to Canva. It's a lifesaver for creating eye-catching graphics, even if you've never designed anything before. Just drag, drop, and download. Try ChatGPT, Jasper. They'll help you brainstorm hooks, titles, full video scripts. No staring at a blank page ever again. And don't forget about Answer the Public. It shows you what questions people are asking about your topic. Perfect for crafting videos that answer real needs. So here's the formula. Research with Google Trends. Optimize with TubeBuddy. Optimize with Vidicue, design with Canva. Write with AI tools, and let Answer the Public guide your topics. Keep experimenting. Learn from your analytics, watch your channel grow. Don't just create, strategize. See you at the top.